starting reactants, if we are, this is the benzene. We know that this is the benzene is converted into what? Nitrobenzene. As a part of the reactions of aromatic nitro compound, that is what a nitrobenzene. So here, how the reactions are takes place whenever this is the, first of all we can say this is the simple nitration reaction. So nitration, in the nitration reactions, as we know that this is the mixture of nitric acid HNO3 plus sulfuric acid H2SO4. The mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, this is nothing but nitrating mixture. So whatever the nitrobenzene is treated with such types of the mixture, then formation of what? There is going to the formation of this NO2 group. It is create NO2 group at the meta position. Okay, why this meta position? This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. This takes place at meta position. The types of the compound meta-dinitrobenzene. So here formation of the meta-dinitrobenzene starting from the nitrobenzene. Why? Because of the NO2 group, it acts as the electron withdrawing group. Here NO2 group, electron withdrawing group. Whenever we can, this is what electrophilic types of the substitution. This is what ESR reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position whenever electron withdrawing group EWG, electron withdrawing group is present on benzene nucleus. Because of why we know that this is what NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. As we can say, this is the resonating structure N double bond O. So this is the NO and this is O negative charge and positive charge. So whatever this is goes to the formation of the resonating structure. This nitrogen goes to the formation of the double bond is here. Oxygen carries the negative charge. Whatever here it creates the positive charge. Again what? The resonating structure is continuously takes place. Delocalization of the pi electrons. This carbon carries the positively charged. Again nitrogen. This oxygen and this one oxygen is negatively charged. This goes to the formation of such types of the intermediate. So here formation of the sigma complex and uranium ion. It is nothing but formation of ortho position or यहाँ पे para position. It creates the positively charged. In the ortho and para position create the positively charged. Okay, so the remaining position is the meta position. Of course, it is somewhat delta negative charge, delta negligible. And we know that this electrophilic substitution reaction, it is what a electrophile. It is a positively charged. Your positive charge of the reaction, it is attracted towards the negative charge. It is nothing but a nucleophile. So that's why this meta position having the more electron density. That's why the electrophilic substitution reaction this takes place what a meta position. Then this NO2 having the electrophile which attack on this meta position of the nitrobenzene, and then formation of meta-dinitrobenzene. Suppose and this types of the reaction is nothing but what a nitration of nitrobenzene. If we are having this is the nitration of the nitrobenzene, formation of the meta-dinitrobenzene as a starting reactant of the nitrobenzene. हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल सब हम नाइट्रोबेंजीन लेते हैं, सो दैट इज डाइनाइट्रोबेंजीन. यहाँ पे हमारे पास डाइनाइट्रोबेंजीन है, नाइट्रेशन करना है, सो दैट इज द नाइट्रिक एसिड HNO3 plus H2SO4. यहाँ पे हम नाइट्रेशन करना चाह रहे हैं. So what I want here, of course there is a no doubt formation of these types of the product is nothing but what? Symmetrical compound. So what types of the symmetrical compound? That is 1, 3, 5. The types of the compound form trinitrobenzene. Again, this is the formation of a symmetrical trinitrobenzene. When this another types of the reactant molecule, suppose we are having these types of the reactant molecule, that is the toluene molecule, and this is the toluene. Again what? Nitration is takes place. This is electron donating group. This 8 is A, and whenever we know that electron donating group is present on the benzene nucleus, again electrophilic substitution reaction, that is nitration, is takes place at ortho position and para position. यहाँ पे NO2 group ortho पे create होगा और para पे create होगा. There is a formation of ortho toluene and para nitrotoluene. Among these types of the product is what a major product due to the absence of the steric crowding. यहाँ पे ये major होगा, ये minor होगा due to absence of steric crowding. दो ग्रुप के बीच में steric crowding नहीं होगा, इसीलिए ये major होगा. So this is the major 4-nitro toluene. As you can say 4-methyl nitrobenzene, 4-methyl nitrobenzene. This is the 4-methyl nitrobenzene. It is the major product of nitration of the toluene. अब सपोज हम यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल चेंज करते हैं. सपोज नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन है हमारा, यहाँ पे CH3 है और यहाँ पे NO2 है. So what happened? Again nitration of this types of the reactant molecule, that is what, यहाँ पे हमको रिएक्शन करना है. रिएक्टेंट है हमारे पास, कौन सा रिएक्टेंट है? That is what, 2-nitrotoluene, as you can say 2-methyl nitrobenzene. हम यहाँ पे इसका इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन करते हैं. नाइट्रेटिंग मिक्सचर यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे. So what about which types of the product is formed? Here again nitrating mixture. So that is what, HNO3 concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. So what happened? There is a formation of, यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एप्लीकेशन ये है कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप है और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग है. देखो ये डोनेटिंग है, ये विड्रॉइंग है. डोनेटिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ऑर्थो और पैरा पे होगा और विड्रॉइंग के अकॉर्डिंग मेटा पे होगा. यहाँ पे मेटा ये होगा इसका, यहाँ पे मेटा ये होगा. यहाँ पे देखो इसका प्यारा वाला, इसका मेटा आता है, प्यारा मेटा. प्यारा किसका? मेथिल का प्यारा. और मेटा किसका? नाइट्रो का मेटा. इसका मेटा और इसका प्यारा, इसका मेटा और इसका बेटा. तो इसका मेटा हुआ और इसका प्यारा हुआ. This is what formation of such types of the product. It is nothing but nitration of such types of. This is a more than 2 substituent. This is nothing but 2-nitro, as I can say toluene. Those are a nitration of these such types of the reactant molecule formation of this product. It is nothing but most important application. Again nitration of more than 2 substituent on aromatic nucleus. So these are some few part of this reaction. Remaining part of this what a reaction of nitrobenzene. Again यहाँ पे reaction of nitrobenzene. So one of the reaction, this is the nitrobenzene reduction reaction, है ना. So if we are having this is the nitration, यहाँ पे हम दूसरा reaction करना चाह रहे हैं reduction. यहाँ पे अपना इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हुआ. अब यहाँ पे नाइट्रो अल्केन, that is the particular reactant molecule. This is what, whenever this is the types of the reaction is that reduction. Why it is known as reduction? A starting reactant molecule is a nitrobenzene. It is treated with SnHCl hydrochloric acid. SnHCl, this hydrochloric acid, or we can say this is what, FeHCl. So what happened? There is again product formation is what, the reduction product is obtained. This is formation of NH2 primary aromatic amine. Formation of what? Primary aromatic amine. There is formation of primary aromatic amines. It is nothing but what? The types of the product is known as aniline, starting from nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene का हमने reduction किया. So there is formation of aromatic amine, that is a primary aromatic amine. Here is what? A reduction of nitrobenzene.